Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech, your go-to place for all things artificial intelligence. Today, we've got something truly revolutionary to share with you. Get ready to dive into GraphRAG, a game-changer for data discovery unveiled by Microsoft Research. So, what exactly is GraphRAG? Imagine being able to navigate through a massive sea of data and finding not just any answer, but the right answer. Traditional RAG systems often fall short. They work by matching text based on surface similarities, which can frankly miss the mark. GraphRAG changes the game. It builds a complex knowledge graph, giving you a structured overview of your data. What sets GraphRAG apart is its ability to create these knowledge graphs from unstructured data. It's like turning a messy room into a well-organized library, where every book knows its neighbors and the subjects it covers. This helps the AI understand the relationships between different data points, leading to much more accurate and insightful answers. Let me give you an example to make it clearer. Traditional RAG might answer a question like, what happened in the summer of 2023 in Ukraine, with fragmented bits and pieces. However, GraphRAG can take this broad query and deliver a comprehensive, cohesive summary that takes into account all relevant data points. In our tests, GraphRAG had a win rate of 70 to 80% over traditional RAG for such global questions. And we didn't stop there. We evaluated GraphRAG across several metrics: comprehensiveness, diversity, and empowerment. The results were outstanding. GraphRAG outperformed traditional RAG by covering all aspects of the queries, providing different perspectives, and empowering users with detailed, actionable insights. But how does GraphRAG improve user experiences? Imagine interacting with a chatbot that truly understands your data beyond surface-level text. It's like having a conversation with an expert who has read every book in the library and can summarize the key points. This makes querying private or unseen datasets not just possible, but highly efficient. One of the coolest features of GraphRAG is its ability to summarize themes. For instance, if you were to ask, what are the main themes in my dataset? GraphRAG would provide an in-depth hierarchy of themes and subthemes, giving you a bird's-eye view as well as a deep dive. It's like having a magnifying glass for your entire dataset. GraphRAG doesn't just answer queries, it prepares community summaries. These are detailed reports that describe the entities and their relationships within a theme. It's incredibly useful for understanding complex datasets without having to know exactly what to search for. And the best part? GraphRAG is now available on GitHub, along with a solution accelerator. This means you can deploy it on Azure with just a few clicks, no coding required. It's incredibly user-friendly, making advanced AI technology accessible to everyone. This innovative tool is the result of hard work from a brilliant team at Microsoft Research. Huge shout out to Joshua Bradley, Christine Caggiano, and everyone else who contributed. Your efforts are paving the way for the future of data discovery. Now, let's talk about some real-world applications. For example, imagine using GraphRAG to analyze thousands of news articles. Traditional methods would look for text that matches your search query, but often miss context. GraphRAG, on the other hand, can summarize the entire corpus, identifying key themes like political movements, economic trends, and social issues. Consider a complex query like, what impact did Novorossiya movement have on Ukrainian infrastructure? A naive RAG system might give you fragmented pieces of text. But GraphRAG connects the dots, providing a detailed narrative that includes all relevant entities and their relationships. It's a game-changer for complex data investigation. We've documented these findings in a recent preprint paper, showcasing how GraphRAG provides superior performance in terms of comprehensiveness, diversity, and token efficiency. When it comes to token use, GraphRAG's intermediate and low-level community summaries are more efficient, using 20 to 70% fewer tokens per query compared to traditional methods. As we continue to innovate, our focus is also on reducing the costs associated with building these rich knowledge graphs. We're exploring automatic tuning of LLM extraction prompts to different domains. This will reduce the effort required to customize these prompts for specific applications, making GraphRAG even more accessible. Got questions about GraphRAG or its applications? Drop them in the comments below or join our community forum. We're here to help you navigate this exciting new technology. Engaging with you helps us improve and ensures we're meeting your needs. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button share it with others who might benefit, and consider subscribing to stay updated on the latest in AI tech. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best and most current AI advancements. I appreciate you sticking around till the end. We're committed to building a vibrant community where we can all learn and grow together. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to our next deep dive into AI technology. Until then, take care and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI. Let's dive into a practical example. Suppose you have a collection of business reports. Traditional RAG systems might struggle to tie all the information together, but GraphRAG can construct a knowledge graph, summarizing key points like profit margins, marketing strategies, and customer feedback in a coherent narrative. And here's something even more spectacular. GraphRAG uses tokens more efficiently. When answering complex questions, GraphRAG used up to 70% fewer tokens per query compared to naive RAG. This makes it not only a more intelligent system, but also a much cheaper one to run. Think about massive podcast libraries. Imagine you're a researcher trying to find recurring themes and critical insights across thousands of hours of podcasts. GraphRAG prepares summaries that give you a bird's-eye view of prevalent topics, saving you incredible amounts of time and effort. Deploying GraphRAG is a breeze. With the Solution Accelerator on Azure, you're just a few clicks away from setting it all up without writing a single line of code. It's designed to make the integration process smooth and user-friendly, whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned developer. The brains behind GraphRAG are nothing short of brilliant. The Microsoft research team, led by experts like Joshua Bradley and Christine Caggiano, has poured their hearts into making this technology accessible and impactful. Their dedication ensures that more people can harness the power of advanced AI. GraphRAG's hierarchical summaries are next level. Picture asking your system, what are the major discussion points in my meeting notes from last year? Instead of just piecing bits together, GraphRAG gives you a layered summary from high-level themes down to detailed subtopics. Imagine a journalist needing to sift through a year's worth of news articles. With naive RAG, this would be a Herculean task. But with GraphRAG, you can get a summarized overview of key themes and trends in no time. It's like having a personalized research assistant who's always on point. We've backed up our claims with solid research. In our studies comparing GraphRAG with naive RAG, GraphRAG consistently outperformed in metrics like comprehensiveness and diversity. This isn't just theoretical. It's empirically proven superiority in real-world applications. Good news for developers and AI enthusiasts. GraphRAG's code repository is now live on GitHub. Whether you're looking to contribute, customize, or just explore, everything you need is right there. Dive in and see how you can leverage this cutting-edge technology in your projects. Another standout feature is community summaries. These aren't just any summaries. They're detailed reports about entities and their relationships within distinct themes. This is crucial for understanding complex datasets where every detail matters. Let's say you want to build a smart assistant that can pull insights from mountains of corporate emails. GraphRAG's API makes this task straightforward. With a few API calls, your assistant can provide highly accurate and comprehensive answers, boosting productivity like never before. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you. Your engagement and support drive us to do better every day. Don't forget to drop your questions or feedback. Your input is invaluable and helps us grow together as a community. And there you have it, GraphRAG, the next-generation tool transforming data discovery. We've only scratched the surface today, so stay tuned for more deep dives and use cases. If you haven't already, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest AI tech insights. Thank you for watching and taking this AI journey with us. We're constantly working to improve and bring you the best content possible. We appreciate your feedback, so please share your thoughts on what you'd like to see next. Your opinions matter deeply to us. Finally, if you're passionate about AI and want to connect with like-minded individuals, join our All About AI Tech Community Forum. It's a space for learning, sharing, and growing together. Let's build an incredible community where everyone feels valued and heard.